Most IT leaders think you need to scrub your M365 environment before you can roll out Copilot. No. Not only would that dangerously delay Copilot adoption, but seriously disrupt daily operations too. For many companies, the rapid adoption of remote work resulted in oversharing and resharing documents that created a fragile web of critical document links embedded in emails, web pages, dashboards, and Teams. Clean it up, and you'll break those links, crashing daily operations. Copilot safe zones are the game changer. Simply add one clean site per department and copy in just the 10% of documents that matter. Then synchronize those documents so they stay fresh. 90% faster than cleanups. No delays, no disruption. Heck, you could even use this to create the core of a new, clean intranet. Join our free webinar or book a consultation to put Copilot to work fast.